Are you still spending hours trying to optimize your Shopify store for SEO? What if I told you there's a way to automate the entire process and boost your sales without any extra effort?
Oh my God! Wow!
You're about to discover an AI tool that Shopify store owners are using to rank higher and save time. This is the ultimate game changer. In today's competitive e-commerce space, having great products isn't enough. Your store needs to rank on Google to be seen by customers. But here's the problem. SEO is tedious, time-consuming, and requires constant updates. That's where Journalist AI comes in. In this video, I'll show you how Journalist AI automates Shopify SEO, helping you rank higher, increase traffic, and skyrocket your sales, all without breaking a sweat. Shopify store owners, whether you're selling physical products or running a dropshipping business, you know the struggle. SEO is crucial to driving organic traffic, but it's also a constant grind. You have to find the right keywords, optimize your product pages, and blog regularly to stay relevant. Most of the time, it feels like you're chasing Google's ever-changing algorithm with little reward. The worst part? All of this effort steals time away from growing your business, when connecting with customers or developing new products. But what if you could automate all that? Meet Journalist AI, the AI-powered solution that's built to handle the heavy lifting of Shopify SEO. From keyword research to content creation and even social media syndication, this tool automates your SEO strategy. Here's what it does for you. 1. Automated content generation. Instead of spending hours writing blog posts, Journalist AI creates SEO-optimized articles for your Shopify store, tailored to your brand's voice and style. Whether it's product descriptions or in-depth blogs, your content is handled automatically. 2. AI SEO editor. Journalist AI doesn't just create content, it makes sure it ranks. The built-in SEO editor enhances your on-page SEO by optimizing keywords, suggesting internal links, and making sure your content aligns with Google's best practices. 3. Auto-linking and social syndication. Why stop at writing? With the auto-linking feature, you'll have internal and external links automatically built into your posts, driving engagement and improving rankings. Plus, your content is shared across social media, expanding your store's reach without any extra effort. 4. Automatic indexing. No more waiting for Google to notice your new content. Journalist AI ensures your posts get indexed faster, keeping your store relevant in search results. These features don't just save time, they drive traffic and boost your Shopify store's visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Use cases. 1. Automated content generation. Picture this. Instead of staring at a blank screen, unsure how to create engaging content for your audience, Journalist AI crafts articles for you, up to 1,200 blog posts a day. And these aren't generic pieces. They are tailored specifically to your brand's voice and style. Whether you're running a fashion dropshipping store or selling tech gadgets, the content is relevant and optimized to attract more visitors. It's like having a full content team working behind the scenes without the hefty payroll. 2. AI SEO editor. Struggling to get your articles to rank? The AI SEO editor in Journalist AI analyzes your content and gives you real-time recommendations to improve your SEO. From keyword placement to internal linking strategies, it makes your content irresistible to Google. Imagine publishing a blog post and instantly knowing it has the best chance of ranking on the first page. This feature isn't just smart, it's your SEO secret weapon. 3. Auto-linking and social syndication. Want more traffic and engagement? With auto-linking, every post automatically includes internal links to your store's key products and external links to credible sources, improving SEO and keeping customers on your site longer. But that's not all. Once your content is live, it's automatically shared across social media platforms. Imagine your store's blog post being shared across Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn without lifting a finger. This isn't just automation, it's amplification. 4. Automatic indexing. SEO is useless if Google can't find your content. With Journalist AI's automatic indexing, every new blog post is submitted to Google for faster indexing, so your content shows up in search results sooner. No more manual submissions or waiting weeks for your content to be discovered. Imagine having a tool that ensures your Shopify store stays at the top of search results. Now let me ask you, how much time are you spending on SEO and content creation right now? What would it mean for your Shopify store if you could free up all that time while boosting your rankings and sales? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's your biggest SEO challenge? To wrap up, Journalist AI isn't just an SEO tool. It's the future of content automation for Shopify stores. From writing blog posts and optimizing SEO to syndicating content and automating indexing, it does the hard work for you. Whether you're a solopreneur or a business owner with a growing team, Journalist AI helps you rank higher, save time, and focus on what matters most: running your store. Ready to boost and automate your Shopify SEO and drive more sales? Click the link in the description and try Journalist AI for free today. Don't let your competitors get ahead. Take advantage of AI and supercharge your store's growth now.